Hi, come on in. I'm Alaknanda. Welcome to my quirky corner. We moved here in 2006. This place is blessed with abundant natural light and fresh air. And what we love the most is actually the view out here, which is all lush green trees and alongside the road. So the kitchen happens to be at the entrance, and actually it was as tiny as a cubicle. So we kind of knocked down this wall and converted this to a counter. Neutral being the obvious choice to make the space look larger. We really liked this style when we were looking material for renovation. This has a nice earthy tone. So coming to the most favorite corner of my space. So this wooden cabinet, I got it from a scrap dealer, and this was actually a part of a huge wall unit. And I got it home and I refurbished it. I love red because it kind of infuses energy and warmth in your space, and makes the space looks vibrant. And I also tend to pair elements with the same color so that they look cohesive. The sofa is actually old wooden sofa which we got upholstered, and we opted for no armrest because that kind of make it less bulky, and we also have the flexibility to join the chairs however we want. So this coffee table, it is actually made of pine wood pallet. So this is actually a very budget friendly piece. We got this planks and everything done in less than 1000 rupees. I like the traditional art a lot. I wanted this striking Indian human figurine. So this is from Ethnic. So this picture is very, it's kind of very special because this was when he was 4.5 months, and the next day I was about to join work, and I just picked my phone and he was all smiles and I clicked it. Coming to the console area, so this wall is, the section is kind of looks rustic. The console table matches with the rest of the dark wood color, and we paired it with the elements which look rustic. Coming to this part, this is our extended dining space, and we host our guests here. This was actually a bathroom which we renovated, and we got this space just for the dining area. Coming to my favorite section, this is the crockery table. I have this all white collection, and most of the stuff we got from Thailand. The pretty floral print crockery what you see is from Thailand. I think art makes a home more human because art is an expression that you can connect with. And this is the bedroom space. This is the master bedroom, and this is all minimal and neutral. I like the soothing, airy vibe of the space. Any decor element to be highlighted. All the decor elements you see are muted. They blend along with a white theme. With a large wardrobe and a king size bed, we could barely fit in any extra furniture. I have a mini gallery wall though. I went all white and grey here. Again the muted theme. So these actually paintings are from my little niece. And this jharoka, so this used to be nice vibrant orange. I think I picked it from a handicraft exhibition. So muted because it had to blend with this theme. And this petal art, you see, this is a very lightweight sheet actually. So it has a beautiful carving. The bedding, I like it to be cozy, comfy, and I don't mind stacking a lot of pillows on it. So we really like to relax and laze around here. So the bedding is something very important. I hope you like my simple humble abode, and if you like this video, do subscribe to Homely by LBB.